I spent a lot of time and money trying to build the perfect custom exhaust on this Silverado, and I'm here to tell you, I wasted a ton of trips to the muffler shop when AWE has already done all the homework on creating the perfect bolt-on exhaust system. I now have installed the AWE 3-inch catback bolt-on system, and if you want a nice rumble with zero drone, this company has figured it out with their drone canceling solution 180 Technology Resonator. Yes, you heard me right. This is not a muffler, this is a resonator. As far as the exit, I've got the factory 4K HDMI ports, and it's a great option if you want the sound and performance at a more affordable price. Now, they do offer several more exit options to cater to everybody's preference and bumper configuration at different price points, including the quad tips, which is one of their more popular options. So if you want the sound performance and a great look to the back of your truck, I would go that route. Let's now take to the road so you can hear all the amazing sounds that this system makes. I first want y'all to hear what it sounds like with the DFM enabled. Coming to a stop while cruising, with DFM enabled, your motor cuts all cylinders, and that's why you'll hear the engine basically start back up. At lower speeds, you can hear the fluctuations in the exhaust, but once you get on the highway, you can't hear it at all. If you have DFM disabled, your exhaust will stay smooth coming to a stop. If you want the best sound quality out of any exhaust system, it is much better having the DFM disabled. I've got the Pulsar LT and I love it. Driving on the interstate, once you get up to that 8th, 9th, 10th gear, it pretty much goes really quiet and there is zero drone on the interstate. It's quiet for normal driving, but it's there when you want it. Let's now see how she sounds outside the truck. I am really loving the sound of this. It kind of reminds me of when I had the Muffler Delete, but this has more of a controlled, deeper tone with a really nice rumble. Now, I really loved putting together that Borla Atak custom exhaust, but I'm glad I decided to try this because it led me to a discovery. When these crate mufflers came off the truck, they were almost half full of water because there are no weep holes. I reached out to Borla after finding this out and asked them if it was okay to drill some holes, and they said yes. Drill them on the outlet side of the muffler towards the bottom with a 1/16 inch drill bit. So if you have a Borla Atak crate muffler, make sure you drill some weep holes because these could eventually rust out. I'm also thinking by having water in these, it might explain why when I first had the TrueDual setup installed, I had 0 drone in the cab, and then after a while, it started to get really loud inside the truck. That's just another struggle of trying to create the perfect custom exhaust. But like I said, with AWE, there's no concerns there, and it sounds amazing right out of the box. I want to thank AWE for allowing me to try out their system, and I can tell you right now, if you decide to go this route, you will not be disappointed. Well, I appreciate y'all watching this. If you enjoyed it, make sure you hit the thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so. Until next time, see y'all.